Welcome back to my channel, guys. Big Sam back again with another video. Now today I'm back again with another general knowledge question. But the thing is, last time I answered general knowledge questions. This time I'm answering general knowledge math questions. Now you guys saw what happened in my last general knowledge questions when I tried to answer a math question. I was going through a lot. But the thing is, I need to confront my fears, okay? I need to become the world's smartest kid, and by doing that, I need to do things that I'm afraid of, and that's why today I'm doing math, okay? Now, just a disclaimer, if I get 0 out of 10, please be understanding, okay? It's like, I'm still smart, it's just that maybe I didn't, add or subtract properly. Do you get what I'm saying? I'm just giving you guys a disclaimer because this is math. Anything can happen in math. That's all I'm saying, okay? So without further ado, let's get straight into this video.
Drop that top in the summertime, baby. We can do SKR. Put it in slow, see which buttons we can press it down. Link me now, stay hold up. 50 pounds, split these pounds. That shit in a match.
Fresh white airs, no dusty trainer. Clean drip.
Okay, so I have a pen and paper here which I'll be using to calculate. You know how I like to calculate and just find out the answer and stuff like that? This is what I'm gonna be using now. Guys, I feel like I'm in an exam. Like I said, I'm gonna be answering 10 general knowledge math questions, okay? I don't know what questions I'm expecting, but all the questions are multiple choice, which means there will be A, B, C, and D. At least I have the luxury to choose which one is the answer and which one isn't the answer. Now, multiple choice questions are tricky because it's almost like, is A the answer or is it B? Because B and A, they look so similar. Do you get what I'm saying? So I don't know how this is gonna go, but let's just get straight into this. So number one, what is the 3/5 of 100? First of all, I don't even understand what they're talking about. What do you mean the 3/5? Like, at what point in my math education did I learn this? No one told me about this, but obviously you guys know me. I can take a challenge. I'm gonna calculate and see what they're talking about, okay? So, what is the 3/5 of 100? What do they mean by this? Do we divide 3 into 100, or... This is a bad start. Question number one, at least give me addition. You get what I'm saying? Give me addition. I know addition, I know subtraction, I know division, I know multiplication. You don't want to give me that. You just want to give me 3/5. So what am I going to do with that? Yeah? 3/5 of 100. Can I Google this? Yeah? Okay, hold on. 3. Guys, like I said, if I get 0, please don't laugh. Okay? I don't want to waste too much time. I'm going to say it's B. 5. Do you get what I'm saying? Because if you multiply 5 times 3, let me just say it's 5. No, it's 3. Yeah, let me just say it's 5. And B is incorrect. B is incorrect. What do you mean B is incorrect? This is this is getting scary. Okay, next question. So number 2, number 1 is already wrong. This is already bad. If David's age is 27 years old in 2011, what was his age in 2003? So we subtract 2011 minus 2003. If I don't get this one, I'm going to fight someone. So 2011 minus 2003. We borrow we borrow 1 from here, and this becomes 11 minus 3. 2011 he was 27. 2010 he was 26. Guys, I know this one. Please, guys, just give me a chance, please. I can explain. So guys, I figured it out. He was 19 years old. If this is wrong, I'm gonna be so mad. If I get this one wrong, I'm breaking this screen, and that's what I'm doing. See, this is what I'm saying. I know they must give me addition and subtraction. I know how to subtract and I know how to add, and that's what math is supposed to be about. Adding and subtracting. All this fifth, all this x, all this find, it's not unnecessary. It's not supposed to be there. You get what I'm saying? So I got the answer. 1 correct here. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. So number 3. What is the remainder of 21 divided by 7? Let me divide. Let me divide. I know how to divide. Is this long division or what? So 21. So I was saying 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 7 is 21. So what do they mean, what is the remainder? There's no remainder in this thing. If they say 7 wait, hold on, what's the question again? What is the remainder of 21 divided by? A, 21, B, 7, C, 1, D, none of these. I'm gonna choose D, none of these, because D, this is what I'm saying. D is the correct correct answer, none of the above. Give me division, give me subtraction, give me addition, give me multiplication. I'm gonna answer it because that's what is considered math to me. Do you get what I'm saying? Guys, I personally think I need to join the math competition because I think I can win this. I can win this. You get what I'm saying? I won all the competitions back in primary school. All the math competitions, I won. Go and find out about me. They know me. If they tell you otherwise, they are lying. I won all the competitions. Don't play with me. So number 4, what is 7% equal to? This is what I'm saying. Don't be giving me percentages. Give me addition, give me subtraction. How many times will I say this? Why are you giving me? So, just off the top of my head, I'm assuming 7% equals to 7. Yeah? Let me just check the options. Okay, so A 0.007, B 0.07, C 0.7, and D 7. So all the answers in here have 7 in it. This is what I'm saying about multiple choice. It comes to confuse you. Why are all the answers having 7 in them? So now where do I choose from? Yeah? So I'm gonna choose 7% equals. How do they calculate percentage? I'm just gonna choose D at 7 because 7 is the original number. Yeah? 7 is 7, 7 is 7%, and 7 should be 7%. Okay? What is 0.0.000? Let me choose D for 7 and let's see what the answer is. What do they mean D is incorrect? This is what I'm... Guys, the main point is I have 2 correct answers and that's good enough because when I started this video, what did I tell you? If I get 0 out of 10, I wouldn't have been surprised. Do you get what I'm saying? So I already have 2, which means I should be happy with that. I'm content. I'm happy. You can't tell me nothing. So no. Number 5, I am a number. I have 7 in the ones place. I'm less than 80 but greater than 70. What is my number? Excuse me. When did they start bringing riddles into math? I thought that was an English thing. That's what I thought. So why are we doing riddles up in here like I am a number, I have 7 in the ones place? I don't understand this question. I don't have the facilities for that, big man. So I'm just gonna guess, okay? I'm allowed to guess. In this life, you can guess if you don't know, because why would I be breaking my head when I actually don't know? So I'm gonna choose. The options here are A 71, B 73, C 75, and D 77. So 7 in one's place. I'm just saying, if I choose 71, am I still considered a math student? Am I still valid? This is what I don't like doing this math. It always leaves me in stress and high blood pressure. That's what I'm saying. Okay, I'm gonna choose D77. I've been choosing D this whole time and I've been getting them wrong. And if I get them wrong this time, I'm gonna be mad. D is correct. This is what I'm saying, guys. Oh, use your guys. When I'm telling you that I'm a smart child, I'm smart. D is my instinct. It was just telling me just D. My instinct has never failed me. Okay, when my instinct tells me this one is a fake friend, they tell me it's a fake friend. I cut them off. You get what I'm saying? So my instinct always tells me the right thing. I've never ever disappointed myself. Human beings would disappoint me, but when it comes to me, I do not disappoint myself. Okay, so D, nothing put against me shall prosper. No man put against me will prosper. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so let's just move on. So number 6, how many years are there in a decade? Wait, what day? I know what they're trying to do here. So a decade is 10 years, and then if they ask me how many years are there in a decade, they're thinking I was gonna say 100 years in it. So it's 1. I know 1 is one of the options here. How many years are there in a decade? A 5, B 10, C 15, D 20. So in my mind I'm saying 1, and 1 is not even one of the options of this. So what is the answer? Now I'm getting confused. How many years are there in a decade? A decade is 10 years. Oh no, guys, sorry, listen, no, let's talk about this because I know what they guys, no, listen. How many years are there in a decade? Which means they meant each year in a decade. So there's 10 years in a decade. Guys, I was assuming that 10 years is 1. I'm sorry. Wait, this is what I said. Math is always trying to confuse me. So there's 10 years in a decade. So I'm gonna choose B, 10, and let me find out what the answer is now. Let me see. So this was an easy question. So why am I stressing out? This is 10 years, bro. Like, guys, I'm moving on. Number 7. What is the square of 15? So is a square a number that multiplies itself to get another number? Wait, hold on. What's the square of 15? Is it 5? Hold on. Let me see the options. A 15, B 30, C 252, and D 225. Guys, don't laugh at me. I'm just doing my best here, okay? 15 multiplied by 15. 5 times 5 is equal to what? 25. Carry this 2, and then 5 times 1 is 5. Is that so? How do you multiply again? I'm gonna use my phone to calculate because this is the lot. Okay, so calculator, 15 multiplied by 15, 225. Okay, so D is 225 and the square is the number that multiplies itself. I'm just gonna say D because D has blessed me in the past and it's gonna bless me today. Do you get what I'm saying? So D. Guys, when I started this question, I was saying I'm gonna get 0. And why am I just getting almost all the answers correct? I'm applying to be a teacher. Look at how I'm just mathing the math. I said D for 225. Guys, I have it in me. Guys, I have it in me. So D, correct, number 7. That's why in this life, you have to believe in yourself. In this life, you have to believe in your souls. You have the souls. You have everything it takes. Okay, you want to become an engineer and you don't know maths, you can still become an engineer. Okay guys, so number 8, in 24,673. Okay, this is why you draw the line. Okay, life was going well, things were going fine, I was getting these answers left, right and center, I was answering back to back. Now you're giving me 24,673 and finding the place value. What is the place value? Oh wait, let me try. You know how sometimes I'll say maybe I can't do this, I can't do this, I can't do that, but then when I try and I see, in life sometimes you have to try things and see if they can work for you. You can say so. I'm gonna write this one down. I'm gonna write it down. 24,673. Place value of 6 is, can I say 100? Am I allowed to do that? I'm gonna say something to do with 100. Okay. So let me check the options. So A 700, B 600, C 10, D 100. See, 100 is one of the options. So already we are on the right track. Okay, we have not missed our train. We're on the right track. So I'm gonna say D 100. This is what I'm saying. D, there's something with this D. Let me choose, D 100. What do you mean D is incorrect? C 6 is in the place of 100. Yeah? Now I'm getting angry. Who prepared these questions? Let me find you so I can slap you. Because this is 6 is in the place of 100. Okay, so what's the answer then? They're not even giving me the answers. Okay, moving on. So 8 is wrong. So number 9, another face value. We went from addition, subtraction, and now we're finding the value. What do you mean find the value? So now 24,673, the first value of 4 is, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. This is why when my kids come asking for homework help, I'm just gonna look at them like, are you crazy? So if I say 1,000, it's gonna be wrong because in the previous question I said 6 in the place of 673. Let me not even confuse myself. What I'm gonna say is, so if I said 1,000, it's wrong. So the place value of 4 is 4. Looking at the previous dynamic, it's not dynamic in German sense. So I'm gonna say the place value of 4 in 24,673 is still 4. Let me check if it's correct or not. When I use my knowledge, this is what I'm saying. So the previous question had the same concept and I got it wrong, and then I now use my analogy, I use my common sense like I always do to find this answer, and I found the answer correctly. So basically sometimes in life you have to experience bad things to eventually get to the good things. Do you get what I'm saying? So next time when I receive a question like this, I know exactly what to do. So number 9, correct. Now let's move on to number 10. Okay, this is the last question. Okay, I have to, do the diameter, calculatively. You get what I'm saying? So the least number of 2 digits is, what do you mean? Yeah? Or the least, which means the smallest. So A, 99, B, 11, C, 90, and D, none of these. Do you know why I'm gonna choose D for none of these? Because none of these make sense, okay? So I'm gonna choose the smallest number because there's 99 and 90, and then there's 11. So I'm gonna choose 11. B for 11. Let me see if the answer is correct. What do you mean is incorrect? So which means, anyway, all I'm saying is I've gotten past 5. I know I've gotten past 5, so I've therefore passed. But I'm just a bit confused as to why this answer is wrong, because this was supposed to be my, my exit. This was supposed to be the answer that makes me jump on top of the roof. Do you get what I'm saying? Wait, did I choose none of the above? I should have chosen none of the above. Let me see if this is correct. I chose none of the above in the first place. This is what I'm saying. My brain always tells me to do something, and then when I now choose the wrong answer, it's like I want to fight someone. I already in my mind, didn't I say that? None of the above. I said that, didn't I say that? So now, why did I now choose 11? Whenever your gut instinct tells you to do something, do exactly that, because when you use the next option, you end up crying. Okay, so we've come to the end of the video. We're now going to calculate how many answers I got correct and how many I didn't get correct out of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8! Guys, I got 8 out of 10. Do you know what this means? I'm qualified to teach math. I'm a math teacher. I have given myself a certificate. Bring your kids, $50 per hour, and your kids will pass their exams with flying colors. Like, look at this, 8 out of 20. In life, don't underestimate yourself, guys. Do not underestimate yourself. Look at this. Yeah? Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe and comment, okay? Make sure you guys let me know in the comments if you guys were calculating with me or if you were not calculating with me. You get what I'm saying? Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Everything will be down in the description box. I will be seeing you guys in my next video.